Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be making a super easy cornrow on myself, and the things I'm going to be using are the comb to section and comb the hair. So to begin, I always like to section my hair from the middle as I start through, especially if you're making a cornrow all the way to the back without having to style it in any special way. So always make sure you start from the middle section. And I forgot to mention, guys, I have a mirror standing in front of me, so a mirror is always advisable for the front part, especially when you're sectioning the front part. So yeah, this is how I section the hair. I just run the comb through straight up. Sometimes it doesn't go well, it doesn't obey, but sometimes it actually does. So I'm just going to run it through again as I section, making sure I have a neat line for the direction I am sectioning the hair. So guys, this is the tricky part of sectioning your hair. When you get to the center part, you don't see the mirror, so it is left for you to guess how you're going to do this. So basically what I like to do is to run my hands through the hair. So with this, it is going to help me get a straighter pattern for my hair. This doesn't really work all the time, but at least it is guaranteed that your hair is going to be looking fairly or mostly straight instead of having it bend up in different ways and different directions. And this is how I do it. So if I notice any lump, or if I notice that it is not straight enough, I'm just going to section the hair straight up. Make sure the comb is not bending as you section the hair. Yeah, so this is what we have. So after sectioning the hair, I'm just going to be working with this part. So the reason I like to section my hair from the middle is because it helps me get an equal line for all of the hair I am going to be making. So I can decide to make a 4 to the left and 4 to the right, making it 8 in total, or I can decide to make 5 5, making it 10. It all depends on what you want. So for me, I am making 3 3, making it 6 hair in total. So first of all, I'm just going to start off by plaiting for this side, and what I like to do is to pinch the hair through. So if you pinch the hair through, you are going to know if you are getting an equal length for all of the hair. So it all depends on what you want for your cornrow. Pinching the hair makes it easier for me to go along with this, and it helps me to get just that equal sizes for all of the hair. So after pinching the hair, I'm just going to I'm sectioning the hair again. This doesn't take long, guys, it takes just a little bit of a time. So as you can see, the sectioning is going smoothly from the front, but when I get to the middle all the way to the back, guys, this is where the hustle begins. As I'm running my hands through, it is helping me to get at least just a fairly straight line for my cornrows. But guys, no one is perfect. It doesn't always come out perfect. But anyways, you just have to cornrow. The most important part is just the front part of the hair. Make sure that part is super straight. So right now I am running my hair with the brush, so I'm making sure I brush out the tangled part of the hair, making sure the hair is tangled free, because you don't want the hair to tie down when you're braiding the hair. That is going to slow you down and waste much of your time. So when you're making cornrow on yourself, make sure you're not packing on too much hair. Make sure you're not rushing the hair as you move forward. So I am going to be showing you what it looks like when you're catching out too much hair. So as you can see, I started from grabbing bigger sections. As I'm moving backwards, I am grabbing bigger section as I go through. So I'm grabbing bigger as I go all the way to the back. So this hair, guys, is not even going to last up to 2 days. Believe me, guys, before you even finish making the hair is old already. This is not how you cornrow on yourself. A lot of people make this mistake, and I'm here to correct that. So this hair is not even going to last up to 1 week before you see the hair getting old. So this is how you cornrow on yourself. So make sure you're grabbing just little portion of hair, and as you can see, I am using my index finger to grab more hair from the back. So I'm grabbing a little hair from the back as I cornrow all the way downwards. So basically what I just figure out is that you grab a little hair from the front, you're moving downwards, and as you move all the way to the center, you're going to grab more hair. So it is all about grabbing more. You're adding up a little by little, but make sure you're not rushing the whole process, otherwise the hair is going to look rushed. So yeah, you can see that this one is different from the first we just did. So if you're grabbing smaller hair, you will notice that the hair is looking uniformed and nice, and it is definitely not looking the same as the first we did. So this is what it looks like. So like I said guys, if you're just all the way to the middle, you can grab up more hair as you move all the way to the back. And it is okay guys, if you are tired, you can actually stretch your hand, you can rest. It is allowed guys, it is totally allowed. So like I said guys, I am just using my hands as a direction to go all the way to the back. And yeah, this is what we have. We have one done and it looks super good. So yeah, I am just going to quickly run off the other parts which I packed, because I want to come back to be explicitly detailed with you guys. So yeah, we have this so far braided downwards, we have this cornrow. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a beautiful cornrow, especially when you're grabbing those little beautiful baby hair. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair. So if you notice at this point that middle line which I just sectioned, it makes the whole sectioning of the hair and making of the hair easier without having to have any hair blocking my way. So yeah, I just pinched out two to make sure like they are both equal, and after doing that I'm just going to section this hair and I will braid the hair again. So this doesn't take long time guys, it doesn't even waste time. It is so easy to make, it is so easy to achieve. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can easily grab your beautiful baby hair without having to struggle with it running off or pulling out in the long run. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just to grab two of it. So I'm using my two hands right now, so I'll just grab one from one hand and I'm grabbing the second. So I'm just going to pull a little hair all the way from the back. So as I'm pulling the hair, I'm bringing it forward, then I'll take this two all the way to the back. So just like you see in this video, that is how I actually go. And you want to make sure that you are not rushing that baby hair. Just go with it little by little. If you don't have more hair, just make sure you are pulling out a little hair, that's the longer part of the hair from the back, and you're bringing it all the way forward as you're going slowly. So yeah guys, just like the normal process, I am just braiding the hair all the way to the back. So as you can see so far, the hair is beginning to form shape. So yeah, I wanted to point out that when you get to the back, always make sure you're taking your time to go slowly. Pick out a little hair, don't pull out hair from the back and bring it all the way front, so it won't look like you had a funny haircut. So always make sure you're just braiding the hair down slowly as you move downwards. At this point, make sure you're obeying the hair. Just follow the hair gently as you move downwards, and then you're going to braid the hair when you're done. So I like to twist out the tips of my hair because it is so easy to lose the hair by the time I'm ready to lose it. So yeah, this is me. We are done. I am looking like a funny fowl, but yeah, this hair is super beautiful and I absolutely love this hair. It came out so nice, and you can have a perfect sectioning guys. If you watch videos where they have perfect sectioning, just make sure that maybe they are performing miracles or something, but when you get to the back of your hair, even if you are using a mirror, you are just not going to. But if you have a front to the middle perfect sectioning, then why do you need a perfect sectioning from the back? If I move backwards a little, you are going to notice that back hair is looking straight up. It's because I am so up close that you're seeing it this way. So yeah, this is what we have, guys. We are super done with the hair. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and this is how you make your cornrow. It is so easy to achieve. All you have to do is just to keep on practicing. Like they said, practicing makes perfect. So always make sure you practice this. It doesn't really matter how much you try. Just know that you're getting there. If you're just starting off, you're getting there definitely. So yeah, this didn't take me up to 30 minutes to achieve. I guess about 25 minutes, because I set a timer on my phone. Let's just say that, like 1 hour, because I was filming this video. But if I was making this cornrow on myself, it is just 30 minutes, and you can see it is just a few number. It is so easy to achieve. Like you see, I just made like 6 cornrow. You can make 8, you can make whatever number you want. I just made this, and as you can see, it came out super beautiful. It came out so beautiful. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe. So I'm just going to lay down my baby hair. I have my gel with me. I didn't use the gel because if you live in Nigeria with this weather, you should know that adding gel to your hair is not advisable, because you're going to have the hair running off. This is raining season, guys, and once you're drenched in the rain, the hair is going to soak up in gel, your face and everything. So it is not advisable that during raining season you add gel to your hair. But as you can see, the cornrows came out perfect. I just used just to lay down that stubborn baby hair that is refusing to go off, that is refusing to lay down. And this is what we have. Without any stress, without any struggle, I achieved a beautiful cornrow. So I really hope this video helped. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.